Hey crafty friends! Today I want to share with you an unboxing video, and I'm very excited about this card kit that I ordered. It is the Be Happy card kit from Love from Lizi. I also purchased the add-ons for this kit. Starting with the main kit, this bag is full of goodies. First, this kit comes with the Be Happy 6x6 paper pad. You get 12 single-sided papers, and I love the designs of these papers. I can't wait to create with them. There is so many designs, including some bees, as well as some simple designs to mix and match. The kit also comes with a clear stamp set full of sentiments, as well as some honeycomb stamps that stack with each other. I like that the sentiments fit inside this border stamp at the top. And the sentiments are, "You're amazing as can be, Queen Bee, beautiful, sweet like honey, just because, sweet sunshine, and because I love you." I love all the bee puns. This little bag has some fun items in it. You get 2 tassels, yellow and black, as well as some yellow and black safety pins. These daisies are embroidered, and I think you can cut them into individual flowers or use the strip as a whole. This piece of daisy tool is fun, and I'm thinking of ways to incorporate it into a card or two. There's a small bag of yellow confetti, and I like that they're a bit bigger so I can use them as embellishments as well. Then this other bag might have some of my favorite items in it. It contains some adorable bee charms, as well as some bee on a honey stick charms. There is a baggie with small black pearl embellishments. And it looks like you get 3 of each of the charm designs, as well as 3 pre-made yellow ribbon bows. I absolutely love the charms, and I think they're a great addition to this kit. The kit also comes with 3 large ribbon strips. First you have this gold mesh strip, and then there are 2 burlap type strips of ribbon, one with bees and honeycomb, and the other with daisies. Another fine item in this kit are the gold embossed envelope seals. There is a big bee in the center and a nice pattern around it. There is also a sheet of peel-offs in this kit. I love the peel-offs, and I use them for a lot of different cards. And this particular sheet features a black wavy strip with gold accent on the edge. For the cardstock portion of this kit, you get a small sheet of gold mirror paper and a sheet of orange foam. You also get 5 sheets of letter-sized cardstock in the colors black, orange, a tan, white, and green. Now for the best part of this kit, the die-cut images. There are so many great designs, and they include bees on flowers, bees on honeycomb, little honey jars, a yellow daisy flower shop, table setting of daisies and honey, so many bees, a little cottage surrounded by flowers, a bee house, a card of honey. None of the big die cuts are the same from what I can tell, and I'm absolutely overwhelmed with the variety of images included. Of course, there are tons of bee die cuts in various sizes. The kit also comes with a metal bee die that I missed. Of course, I also had to get the coordinating peel-offs and specialty papers. First pack is the Be Happy Pinstripe Peel-Off 4-pack, where you get orange with gold trim, white with gold trim, green glitter, and yellow. For the pack of Be Happy Variety Peel-Offs, you get 4 sheets in black circles, gold hearts, white diamonds, and green mirror strips. The final add-on pack that I got is the Be Happy Specialty Cardstock Bundle. Each sheet is 8.5 by 5.5, and they come in the colors graphite glitter, gold mirror, black mirror, matte gold, and green mirror. There's also a sheet of green glitter paper that stuck to the back of another paper, so I missed it. Glitter paper is a very smooth glitter, doesn't rub off on your hands, and I know for myself I hate using glitter paper when all the glitter gets everywhere. I appreciate you all for watching. Thanks for joining me, and have a crafty day. Bye!